Nunavut is a beautiful territory. It takes about approximately 1/5 the size of Canada. There are 25 remote communities. They're all fly in. There's no roads between them. The land is amazing. The Northern Lights is incredible. But I think the biggest thing for me is the people and the sense of community and caring and taking care of one another.
The ransomware attack came to us on an early Saturday morning. The impact was not just an isolated single server, but all servers and services in the government.
All 25 communities had to be taken offline. We're talking health, we're talking justice, we're talking finance, everything was hit by ransomware. Imagine you can't reach any of your services. That's the scale of what it was for us.
We looked at what our options were as to how do we rebuild this network? Do we build it from scratch, new, or do we go back and rebuild what we had?
They came on board. They helped us to make sure that we could recover and that we were safe and secure.
It was a very daunting task, and we had our core critical infrastructure back up and running within 9 days. And the team was able to rebuild over 800 servers and more than 5,000 desktops within 6 weeks.
It was a good thing for us to sort of go through in the sense that we learned from it. We came back stronger from it.